sweetie.
Hi.
Hey, sweetie. হ্যালো, যে মৌমাছি কামড় দিলে মুখটা যেরকম ফুলে যায় ওই রকমই আর কি লাগতেছে আপনাকে, অনেক সুন্দর। যে মৌমাছি কামড় দিলে যেরকম হয় আর কি। ব্রয়লার মুরগি।
Hello.
Where are you from?
What?
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Okay, okay, okay. Your face so beautiful.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah, welcome. অর্থাৎ মৌমাছি কামড় দিলে যেরকম অবস্থা হয় ওই রকম আর কি। So beautiful. You are so beautiful.
What?
I mean, you are so beautiful.
I thank you.
So, can you tell me why you looking so beautiful? What is the secret of your beauty?
I don't
You don't know.
I don't know.
How old are you?
29.
29. That means you are older than me. I'm 27. Not much
Give
older.
me 1 peso.
Why? Why? Do you need peso? Why you need
What?
peso? While you smiling, your face looking so beautiful. Yeah.
But I'm watching movie now.
But no, but I wanna talk to you a little bit. Just 1 minute. 1 minute, please.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so where do you live in Philippines?
In Mindanao.
Mindanao. Okay. How far is from Manila?
Um 3 days to travel to Manila in here in Mindanao.
3 days.
3 days.
3 days. That means it's so long.
Yes.
That means so far, so far.
Yes, far.
Okay, okay,
But
okay. Okay.
if you take airplane, it's just 1 hour
1 hour.
to
Okay, okay,
travel.
okay. Are you married or unmarried?
I'm a mom, unmarried.
Unmarried? Still unmarried? Why? Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes,
How
I
many?
have two.
That means you have two children and you still unmarried, right?
Yes.
অর্থাৎ আপনি বিয়ের আগেই কাজ সারছেন। Okay. So what do you do for your living?
Here in Bigo, I applied host. I'm host here in Bigo to earn money.
Okay. Okay. Do you wanna marry again?
Yes.
Do you wanna marry Philippines or other country?
I don't know yet. I don't know. I have no plan for
Okay,
that.
but if someone propose you from another country, then what will you do?
I don't know. Maybe and let's getting to know each other first.
Okay, you will find your life partner very soon.